Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video of my Zodiac series on this channel featuring the Zodiac Nail Vault from Butter London. The kit includes a full-size Pat and Shine 10x nail lacquer for each zodiac sign, and the kit also includes 2 full-size nail treatments. In this series, I'll be uploading a nail art look for each zodiac season featuring the corresponding shade, and today I'll be doing a Sagittarius-inspired Wavy Dotticure design using the Sagittarius shade Brolly. Brolly is a deep navy blue polish, and this design is inspired by the free-spirited and optimistic Sagittarius. I'll start off this design with 2 coats of Steady On, which is also from the Zodiac kit, and I'm starting off with this polish instead of Brolly because I find that it's easier to get darker polishes opaque over light polishes rather than trying to get light polishes opaque over dark polish. Next, I'm going to go in with Brolly and a nail art brush to paint a wavy line down the center of my nail and fill in the left half with this dark navy blue polish. Then I'll use the smaller end of this double-sided dotting tool from Butter London dipped in Brolly to create some different size dots following the wavy line on the nude side. To create the different size dots, I'm using the same end of the dotting tool, but I'm applying less pressure for the small dots and more pressure for the larger dots. And then I'll repeat this on the navy blue side with the nude polish. And finally, I'll finish off this design by sealing it all in with the Hardware Shine UV top coat, which is also included in this kit. And here is the finished Sagittarius-inspired Wavy Dotticure design. And that's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see more nail art featuring the shades from the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. And if you want to check out the swatches of the polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault or my last Scorpio-inspired nail art, you can check those out by clicking the link on your screen or in the description box below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!